So for 11.3 number 48, they want us to tell them whether these things are defined or not defined.
Yes.
Sort of this question, to be or not to be, right? Similar. So part A is log base 0 of 7. What do they mean, defined or not defined?
Does it work or not?
Yeah, this really is a question of, can you fit this number into this rule named log base 0, right? Like, does it even make sense to ask the question? So, maybe first off, what is this question asking?
0 to the x.
Yeah, this is saying, what power of 0 is 7? Right, another way of phrasing that would be to say 0 to the what is 7? You're going to get 7 by multiplying 0 together?
No. Never.
No. The only possibility, right, that you could raise other than 0 is, yeah, is when you put 0 in, you could get like 0 to the 0, which is something we can't define, right? Because it has to be 0, because it's 0 is multiplied together. It also has to be 1, because it's something to the 0, right? That weird one? Yeah, so this thing is either, right, 0 to the whatever, is either 0 or undefined. Is that ever 7?
No.
No. So this doesn't even make sense, right? So this guy here is not defined. How about this other one? Log base 7 of 7.
Yep.
It works.
Yeah, that one works. In fact, it works, and the answer is really convenient, right? It's 1.
Yeah.
So yes, I suppose it's defined, since I was able to define it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Maybe another one we could add is something like, I think this is 47b, is log base 7 of 10. Is that 47?
It's 47a.
Okay.
And then.
So this is a similar question, right?
Yeah.
And this has a weirder answer.
Yeah.
What's the result for this one?
Define
Or what's the question for this one? How about that?
what power of 7 is 10.
Yeah. So what power of 7 is 10? That means like 7 to the something is 10.
It's going to be like a fraction.
Yeah, this isn't going to be like a nice clean number, right? And it's
But it's
actually
still
not going to be,
defined.
well, it might be a fraction, but it probably isn't. Yeah, this is still defined, but it's a messy, horrible number. The way I would know it's defined is I might even graph 7 to the x, right?
Okay.
How about, can you guys tell me roughly what this thing looks like?
A line.
No?
Just a-
Yeah, it's one of these things. It's an exponential growth curve, right? And the factor is 7. So it should go through 0, 1, right? And then 1 integer over, it's 7 times that high, right? So 7 times that high. And then 2 over, it's going to be another factor of 7, which is going to be way up there. And back this way, it's going to go down by a factor of 7, right? So these are at a 7th and
14. So it's
not a 14th, but a 49. So it's some kind of curve like this. Where's 10 on this picture?
Somewhere.
Not this way,
Oh.
but this way. Because I'm asking when is the output of 7dx 10, right? That's like right here. If I follow this down, someplace between 1 and 2. So the answer for this one is it defined or not? Yes, it's defined. Is it a nice number?
No.
No, it's not a nice number. This one was defined and was a nice number. You guys okay with that?